What if everything we knew about the universe was just the beginning? The James Webb Space Telescope, the most powerful space observatory ever built, is changing how we see the cosmos forever. Launched to look deeper into space and further back in time than ever before, Webb is already delivering mind-blowing discoveries. From the birth of galaxies to potential signs of alien life, let's explore 10 game-changing revelations by the James Webb Telescope. First, Webb has captured the oldest galaxies ever seen, formed just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. These galaxies are younger, brighter, and more massive than we expected. It's forcing scientists to rewrite cosmic history. Second, Webb shattered expectations by revealing that early galaxies formed much faster than we thought. Our models said it would take billions of years. But Webb found well-structured galaxies in under a billion. That changes everything about galaxy evolution. Third, the telescope delivered the most detailed image of Jupiter's atmosphere, showing storms, auroras, and heat deep inside the planet's layers. For the first time, we're looking inside the gas giants, not just at them. Fourth, it found carbon dioxide in an exoplanet's atmosphere. A breakthrough moment. Why? Because carbon dioxide is a potential marker for life. And now, we're one step closer to finding Earth-like worlds. Fifth, Webb revealed a star being born, hidden behind a thick wall of dust. Using infrared eyes, it pierced the darkness, capturing breathtaking views of the stellar nurseries where stars and planets are created. Sixth, it discovered Einstein rings, gravity-bent light from galaxies far behind other galaxies. These rings are more than stunning images. They help map the invisible dark matter that shapes the cosmos. Seventh, the telescope exposed massive black holes in the early universe. Much bigger and more active than scientists ever imagined. It's a cosmic puzzle that challenges our understanding of gravity and formation. Eighth, it studied the chemical fingerprints of galaxies over billions of years. Now we can track how elements like oxygen, carbon, and iron evolved. We're literally watching the universe build itself. Ninth, Webb captured cosmic collisions, galaxies smashing into each other. Not just fireworks, but also the birthplaces of new stars. These galactic mergers reshape the structure of the universe. And 10th, perhaps most shocking, it hinted that our universe may not be as random as we thought. Galaxies in one region all spin in the same direction. This strange alignment. Could it mean there's an unseen cosmic order? The James Webb Space Telescope is not just taking pictures, it's rewriting the rules of astronomy, redefining how we understand time, matter, and space itself. But here's the biggest question. What if Webb hasn't shown us the biggest surprise yet? Could the next discovery change our place in the universe? Stay tuned, because the universe just got a lot more interesting. If this blew your mind, hit subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's keep exploring the unknown together.